So when did we finally get to Homo sapiens? And do we actually come from Neanderthals? Hold on, because we're about to answer any questions you still have about how humans became humans. Alright, let's get back to the story of human evolution. If you haven't seen our first couple videos on human evolution, you should go and check them out now. Okay, so here's a summary of everything that's happened up to now. Now, one reason the hominea ended up being so successful had a lot to do with their diet. Apparently, they weren't as picky about what they ate anymore, and were now dining on a wide range of different things, including meat and even carrion. Then, 900,000 years ago, there he is, Homo sapiens. But at this point in the story, we're still talking about an early version of modern man. You sometimes hear the phrase archaic humans. One of these early humans, Homo heidelbergensis, appeared in Europe, and other species in genus Homo appeared in Asia and Africa. During the last ice age in Europe some 200,000 years ago is when Neanderthals entered the scene. Or, if we want to sound real smart, Homo neanderthalensis. Neanderthals most probably evolved from Homo erectus or Homo heidelbergensis. Compared to Homo sapiens, they had thicker bones and a different head shape. Their brains could even be bigger than ours, between 1,200 and 1,750 centimeters cubed. But Neanderthals died out about 30 million years ago. Now, the oldest fossils of modern humans that have been found are around 195,000 years old, and the oldest known examples of Homo sapiens in Europe are known as Cro-Magnon man, named for the place where European early modern humans were first found. What sets these guys apart from their predecessors was a more slender build, a prominent chin, a different skull shape, and smaller teeth. And they were also the earliest humans to create works of art. Now, how exactly Homo sapiens came about is still disputed. We do know he didn't show up until after the Neanderthals did, though. So just remember that we don't actually know exactly where modern man comes from. Today, it's assumed that the evolution of Homo sapiens started in Africa. There are two major hypotheses you should know about. Number 1, the out of Africa hypothesis, and number 2, the multi-regional hypothesis. Number 1 supposes that modern humans have a single origin in Africa, and that they spread all over the world as Homo sapiens some 100,000 years ago. Hypothesis number 2 posits the parallel evolution of modern humans in different regions around the world, but all sharing Homo erectus as a common ancestor. Current research seems to support the out of Africa hypothesis, though. This includes research into mitochondrial DNA, which points to the existence of a mitochondrial Eve somewhere in Africa, a single female ancestor of every person on Earth. Okay, so at long last, here's the complete chart. Let's just stop for a moment and take it all in. The real breakthrough might have come when genus Homo developed a much less specialized diet. This allowed the immediate predecessors of Homo sapiens to emerge about 900,000 years ago. The earliest fossils of modern humans date back some 195,000 years. We don't know exactly where Homo sapiens came from, but one explanation is the out of Africa hypothesis, which sees Africa as the birthplace of Homo sapiens. There's also the multi-regional hypothesis, which assumes the parallel evolution of humans in different regions, with genetic mixing between them. Alright, that's about it for now. I mean, at least until someone finds some new fossils with more to tell us. Until then, we hope you're content with all the other awesome videos on our channel. So see you soon in the next video.